guys, and welcome back to another video. I'm so happy to have you guys back for another video. If you guys are new, please do not forget to subscribe before you guys leave. If you guys are an oldie but a goodie, thank you guys so much for coming back. Today's video is a little different. I wanted to kind of give like a little life update and where I'm at in life and what's happening. I get kind of a bit of questions on like what I do or if I'm only a freelance makeup artist or whatever, and there's definitely a lot more than that. So if you guys are excited to learn a little bit more about me and where I'm at in life, then go ahead and keep watching. I also wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about something I have recently started. I made some merch on my own online store. If you guys want to peek at some of the designs that I've made, I will leave a link down in the description if you guys want to go ahead and check that out. I will probably leave a couple examples around the screen just so you guys can see some of the ones that I made. There is a couple funny ones. I made one that said home, and then underneath it said where I can free the nips, and I thought that was so funny. But other than that, there's like shirts that say like adulting is bullshit, or like I can't adult without coffee and stuff like that. So definitely go ahead and take a peek at that and check it out. Like I said, I will leave it down in the description. And yeah. So the first thing that I wanted to talk about today was school. You guys know I go to college. I go to Scott Community College. I just finished my I just finished my first semester of college. I had Intro to Chemistry, Psychology, and Composition 1. I'm like, oh my god, I can't remember my classes. For the most part, my classes were pretty easy, except chemistry. Chemistry was definitely the death of me. Chemistry was very hard. I finished with a C, but a very high C. I was trying very hard to finish with a B, but you know, you can't beat yourself up over it. I guess I should have tried harder in the beginning, because I don't think I was really trying hard at first, but then like towards the middle and towards the end I was like, yeah, this is really important. So I tried really hard to get my grade up to be a B, and it definitely stayed a C. So that's okay, but I didn't beat myself up over it. But chemistry is very tough. Lots of math, lots of thinking, lots of memorizing, lots of different stuff, and I'm not used to all that yet. So it was kind of hard for me, but I got through it and I finished with a very high C. It was like a 78 point something, and I was like, really? My other two classes, Psychology and Composition 1, those were fairly easy. Composition 1 is more writing essays and research papers and stuff, so that's a little more time consuming and it takes up a lot of time outside of school. But other than that, those two were pretty easy. I think I finished both of those with an A, so nothing too bad, but chemistry was definitely a little tough on me. So I'm glad I had a little bit of easier classes other than that one. So it all worked out, and I'm done with my first semester. I do start one summer class on May 31st, so not too far from now. But I think it's sociology is what I start in the summer, but it's only 2 days a week. It's Mondays and Wednesdays, and I'm done by like 3 o'clock, so it's not too bad. But I do know my fall schedule. My fall schedule is going to be every day, Monday through Friday, but I'm done by 1 o'clock every day. It's like done by like 12:50, so at least I can still work and like work second shift and have that option, so that's really nice. But other than that, my first semester of college is done, and it was great, and I'm moving on to my summer and my fall classes, and I'm ready to do well in those classes, and I'm going to work my tail off to finish with A's and B's and nothing less. But other than college, I wanted to talk a little bit about my job or career or whatever you want to call it. I think if you guys have been watching my videos, you would know I am a hairstylist and cosmetologist. I currently work at the Rhythm City Casino. I've worked there for almost 2 years now, and I do hair and nails and pedis, or manicures and pedicures and stuff like that. And unfortunately, I had put my 2 weeks in. I think it was yesterday. Yeah, I'm done on Memorial Day, but I just moved on to better opportunities. I am currently trying hard to keep up with my YouTube channel, and I actually started a merch line. If you guys heard me a little bit in the beginning of the video, started my own like clothes designs, so like t-shirts, mugs, stuff like that. Like I said, I'll leave that in the description and stuff, but other than that, I am currently about to go to a job interview in like an hour. I just thought I might as well film this video since I'm already like makeup upped. That makes no sense. Since I have makeup on and I'm already dressed up, so thought why not? But I have an interview at Genesis. It is for the registrar. It's in the emergency room department. So I'd be like scheduling appointments and filing insurance and whatever else. But I thought it would be a really good way to get my foot in the door and start in the healthcare and really just get going on my career. I just finally was like, you know what, I need to get into the healthcare. I need to start this career. I need to start gaining experience. I need to start somewhere and just start. So that is my current plan, is to just start in the healthcare and work my way up. I thought this was a really good way to work my way up. I do have my CNA, but to be a little easy on my eczema and my skin, I wanted to do something where my hands weren't in like water or washing my hands a lot yet. I didn't want to get to that point yet. So I thought like filing and office work would be a little better for me right now until I get to that point. But other than that, that's pretty much it. That's really all I wanted to talk about, is just some of my schooling and college, how that's going, and this new job that I may get. I'm actually on my second interview. This is my second interview today, and I'm hoping for the best, but I just wanted to keep you guys a little updated on what's going on. So if you guys like this video and you guys if you guys enjoyed this video, then thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe before you leave. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!